Welcome back to the channel. I learned in woodworking, you gotta learn how to do a little bit of everything. So today we're gonna install this oval vessel sink and faucet combo. Stick around.
You made that?
So today we're gonna replace this countertop and install our vessel sink.
No! God!
I know, it's ugly. We're not gonna waste no time. Let's jump right into it. So the first step we wanna do is turn off our hot and cold water valves. Check that the pressure is released by turning both knobs. Next, we have a 1/2" nut that we want to unloosen on both sides to disconnect our water lines. Then disconnect the drain pipe. Next, take a box cutter and cut the caulking on the edge of your tabletop. Check under your countertop for any nails or screws holding it down, and then take it out. In a previous video, we made this dark walnut rustic countertop for the low. I'll put a link up top if you're looking to make one for yourself.
Ooh, she pretty.
If you're still here, go ahead and tap the subscribe button and let's keep it moving. This is an oil rub top mounted vessel sink bowl. This was an Amazon purchase for about $100. I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested in getting one. Comes with new water lines, gaskets, seal tape, O-rings, and the drain hose. Measure the location of your drain pipe below. We're going to drill our first hole. Next, we're going to install our mounting ring. You're provided a plastic washer, but I used a bead of silicone instead. Center your ring over the hole. So here are two gaskets that they give you. One gasket goes on the top of your sink. The other gasket goes beneath your bowl. We're going to align the sink with the drain hole, and then we're going. What you want, man? Dude. Ready to pop out?
Run.
Again, you're provided with a plastic washer, but I'm using silicone instead. Be sure to add 5 to 6 laps of thread seal tape on our drain pipe. Let's put our rubber gasket on the bottom, align it with the drain hole, and set up our sink. Next, we're going to tighten the nut beneath our countertop. And just grab some pliers to make sure it's really tight.
Perfect.
So the next step is to connect our drain. I did need to purchase a drain pipe extension, just a FYI. Now let's connect our faucet. Now we're going to hand tighten our hot and cold water lines. Then install our 1/2" screws. Next, pass the O-ring over both water lines. Next, pick the location you want your faucet to be mounted at, and let's drill another hole. Now from the bottom, add your rubber pad, then add your U-metal bracket, and we're going to tighten it with those 2 bolts. And there we have it. Oh, she's pretty. She's so pretty. But you know what time it is. If this video was helpful for you, subscribe to the channel. I can't wait to see you again for the next one. Take care.